Have you ever noticed that when something scary or dangerous happens, everything seems to slow down like you're watching a movie in slow motion? Maybe you've seen a glass falling and felt like you had forever to catch it, or experienced those heart-stopping moments that felt like they lasted minutes instead of seconds. Today, we're going to explore the amazing way our brains work during emergencies and why time seems to crawl when danger strikes. When your brain senses danger, it immediately switches into what we call emergency mode, kind of like a computer switching to high-performance settings. This happens faster than you can even think about it, usually within milliseconds of detecting a threat. Your brain literally rewires itself temporarily, shutting down non-essential functions and boosting the systems you need to survive. It's like your mind becomes a superhero version of itself, designed to help you navigate through dangerous situations with incredible precision. The moment your brain detects danger, it releases powerful chemicals called adrenaline and noradrenaline into your bloodstream. These chemicals act like rocket fuel for your body, making your heart beat faster and pumping blood to your muscles at lightning speed. Your breathing becomes deeper and quicker, getting more oxygen to your brain so it can work at maximum capacity. Think of it like pressing the turbo button on a race car. Everything in your body suddenly operates at peak performance levels. During emergencies, your brain starts recording memories in incredible detail, capturing every tiny moment and sensation. It's like switching from regular video to ultra-high-definition slow-motion recording. Your brain wants to remember every single detail that might help you survive. Because so much information gets packed into these emergency memories, when you think back to the event later, it feels like it lasted much longer than it actually did. Your brain essentially creates a super detailed movie of the experience, making those few seconds feel like minutes. All of your senses become incredibly sharp during emergencies, almost like gaining temporary superpowers. Your eyes focus more intensely, allowing you to see details you normally wouldn't notice, while your hearing becomes so sensitive you can pick up the smallest sounds. Your sense of touch also becomes more acute, helping you feel textures and temperatures more precisely than usual. With all this extra sensory information flooding into your brain, there's simply more to process, which contributes to that feeling of time stretching out. The combination of adrenaline and heightened awareness creates what scientists call time distortion. Your internal clock literally starts running differently. Your brain processes information so much faster during emergencies that the outside world appears to slow down in comparison. It's similar to how a high-speed camera can capture a water balloon popping in slow motion. Your mind is working so quickly that everything else seems sluggish. This time distortion effect can make a 2-second emergency feel like it lasted 20 seconds or more. During dangerous situations, your brain becomes like the world's fastest computer, instantly calculating dozens of possible escape routes and survival strategies. It evaluates potential dangers, considers available options, and selects the best course of action in fractions of a second. This incredible mental processing requires your brain to work overtime, analyzing every detail of your surroundings and predicting what might happen next. All this extra mental activity makes time feel stretched out because your brain is cramming so much thinking into such a short period. This incredible emergency response system shows just how amazingly we're designed to handle dangerous situations and protect ourselves. Every part of this process works together perfectly, from the chemical releases to the enhanced senses to the time distortion effects. When you think about how all these complex systems activate instantly and work in perfect harmony, it's truly remarkable how our bodies and minds are equipped to handle life's most challenging moments. This emergency response has helped humans survive and thrive for thousands of years, and it continues to protect us today. What's the most intense emergency or scary situation you've experienced where time seemed to slow down? Share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with this amazing phenomenon. And if you enjoyed learning about how your incredible brain works, please consider subscribing to the channel for more fascinating topics like this one.